Sanibonani Mzansi, my name is Pumelele Twala and this is Segunjalo TV. Today we will be uncovering stories which are based on the challenges faced by our dear South Africans because of house disputes and family chronicles. We are recording all the way from Love Life, which is situated in Orange Farm. And right here we have our dear lady who will be telling us who she is, where she's from, and how Segunjalo can be able to assist her. Sawubona ma.
Sawubona sisi.
Kunjani?
Ngikhona kunjani?
Singakunceda kanjani as iSegunjalo TV?
Okay, igama lami ngu-Ana, ngowakacewani ngesibongo. Ngihlala eSoweto eDiepkloof. Bengizocela uSekunjalo ezongisiza ngenkinga. Nginendlu la Orange Farm e12195 e7B. So lendlu lena ngangingekho mina ngihlala eSoweto. So nginama family friends wami ekade ngihlala nawo la eOrange Farm ngoba mina ngashiya umuzi wami la eOrange Farm ngo 2000 ngahamba ngabuyela eSoweto. So lendlu beyiloku ihleli yodwa. Right ke ngase ngiyaba in fact sorry angibacelanga ukuthi bazongihlalela endlini. Yibo abeza kimi bathi sisana siyabona ukuthi indlu yakho ayinamuntu. Thina ngoba asinandawo yokuhlala sicela ukuthi sigadele indlu yakho. Ngoba bekwabantwana vele ekade ngijwayelene nomama wabo. Ngase ngithi kubo no akunankinga bangahlala.
Okay. So njengoba ubahlalisa khona njengoba baza kuyo bazofuna usizo. Did you perhaps maybe ubhale phansi ukuthi bazohlala khona ngasiphi isizathu? Nakhona uke wacabanga ukuthi njengoba bazohlala banama intentions are true in terms of in case mase ufuna ukubuyela kwakho bazofuna ukuthi maybe baphume.
Okay, angizange ngicabange okuningi. Now that because bekwabantwana abakhulele phansi kwami bengijwayele umama wangithi angizange ngicabange izinto ezimbi ukuthi maybe one day ngingathi mase ngithi ngifuna indawo yami ebese bala njengoba beyala. So bangene ngo 2009 beku August.
So indlu beyiloku iyodwa from 2000 until 2009 mase bazongena khona ekhaya.
Okay, from 2000 indlu yayihleli no a family friend yaka baba wakwami which is ubaba uZondo. So unfortunately ubaba uZondo wasuyashona ngayo 2009. That is when indlu iyesala sengasenamuntu. But ayihlalanga isikhathi eside ingenamuntu after ubaba uZondo eshonile angithi yilapho ngiye ngahlangana nabo mina.
Okay, so since uhlangane nabo njengoba usho ukuthi bake approach ngithi
Yes,
bacela ukuthi bazohlala khona lapha ekhaya.
Okay, sisese lapho ke ukuthi ngangibathemba yini ukuthi bazophuma na. Yes, ngangibathemba ngoba bekwabantwana engibakhulisile. But now kukhona esakukhuluma nje ngomlomo verbally. Ngabacela okokuqala ngathi ngicela ukuthi bahlale for 2 years. Ngoba after 2 years ngizobuya ngizoyifuna indlu ngoba ngangiyifunela indodana yami. Wayesanda ukungena emsebenzini so ngangifuna ukuthi asebenze azokwazi ukuthi abuye azothatha lo muzi lo. Okay, savumelana ngaloko. And then after 2 years leyo mangibuya sengithi ngifuna indawo ngoba babengithembise ukuthi bazohamba bayofuna indawo yabo. So kwaba abantu abathi abaloku bethi kimi bathi hayi sisafuna sisana sisafuna. Kwaba yinto nje yokufuna till kuze kufike kule zinga lokuthi manje ngibona ukuthi no labantu kushuthi ngathi abasayimiselanga ukuphuma and then kula ngaqala khona ke ukuthatha iaction.
So ngokuthatha kwakho iaction uye wathatha mapha ama steps ngicela ube in detail ukuthi maybe uye wahamba wayocela usizo kuma community members akho or maybe wakhuluma no counselor. What steps did you take per se?
Okay, okokuqala ne kunabantu ngithi abomakhelwane bami engabazisa ukuthi ngisenkingeni futhi ngaxolisa kubo ukuthi lenkinga ngizibangele yona ngoba bengingazi ukuthi kuzofika kube so sorry so kubomakhelwane bami somebody advised me ukuthi ngiye kwi-counselor. Unfortunately ngayifuna i-counselor angizange ngiyithole i-counselor ngoba it was seems like nobody owazi kakhulu nge-counselor around. Angimthola ngo-counselor, ngase ngithola omunye ubhuti owangithatha wangisa la e8 kunenye organization lapho yayilapho sengikhohle igama lakhona. Sahamba saya kulo organization. So unfortunately nakhona ne angizange ngisizakale lapho kulo organization. And then because of our seeking ama advices, and then somebody said to me, why ungayi legal aid? That's when I started ukuthi ngihambe nge-legal aid. The first legal aid engaya kuyo yile ela ngaqala eVereeniging because ngizitshela ukuthi indlu ingapha ngahamba ngaye eVereeniging. Ngahamba ke ngaye eVereeniging. eVereeniging bangenzela an eviction letter. A year, I think it was for inyanga. And then ngabuya ngafuna amaphoyisa la eOrange Farm bangithatha bangisa khona. Mangifika kubo bala ukuyisayina eviction letter yokuqala. So ukuyafeda kuningi nje enginako engikuphethe manje okupruvayo ukuthi from 2015 ngiye ngaqala ngathatha i-action because bona they were supposed to ukuthi baphume ngo-2012.
This is a very sad story indeed. Kukho konke lokho okushoyo uye washo ukuthi abantu bufuna basayine azange bavume ukuthi basayine amaphepha. So uye wacabanga ukuthi maybe ikhona maybe something abanayo esolid ebayenza ukuthi maybe bahlale lapha ya, or maybe baye bathola maybe amaphepha wendlu, that's why bala ukuthi baphume ekhaya.
No, kusho ukuthi bengenavalo lokuthi njengoba beyala ukuphuma angizange benovalo lokuthi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi mhlambe indlu baze bayithathe ibe sesayidini labo. Even though ngase ngizwile komunye umakhelwane ukuthi babuya eofisini beyo checka the file yale yandlu but bahlulekile. Angithi phela abantu bayakhuluma nabo abavalanga umlomo so bahluleke eofisini. Bahluleka kanjani? Bebengeke baze balunge because of the title deed inami, i-title deed yami igimi.
Ngiyafela ukunderstand ukuthi kanjani ungathola usizo and stuff, and thina as iSekunjalo TV siyajabula ukuthi sizokhona ukuthi sik-assiste, but ngoku-assista kwethu sizothanda ukuthi sikwazise nawe ukuthi since manje ukhuluma esakho iside se-story kuzomela ukuthi siphinde sihambe futhi sokhuluma nabo laba obafaka ekhaya sizwe laba iside le story, only if uma uyavuma maybe usinikeza ama-contact details wabo sichumane nabo over phone call ukuthi siba-prepare ukuthi at least sikhona ukuthi siye lapha la ekhaya sibabuze ukuthi yini ngempela isizathu sokuthi bale kangaka ngekhaya.
Okay, anginankinga mina as much as ngifuna usizo because it has been too long ngibancenga ukuthi baphume endlini yami. As much as ngithi mangifikile bangivimbe egate so ngikhuluma ngeboyfriend kushuthi umntwana engimaziyo lapha ulo wentombazana ne ulindiwe so lona omunye iboyfriend. So whenever bengithi mangifika lapha ya avele ngathi bebengibheka ngewindow mhlambe bangibone uzophuma ngespeed angivimbe egate angitshela ukuthi ngingangeni. So anginankinga yokuthi niyobabuza ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani ngoba nami ngokwami ngimangele ukuthi why bengafuna ukuphuma endlini yami instead le mfana wenzani uyangilwisa yabona.
So ulwisa yi-boyfriend lapha ekhaya ukuthi ungangeni?
Yes, ngilwisa i-boyfriend uye umuntu ohlala elwa nami kakhulu ngoba this girl ne ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngihlangane naye estradeni ngoba usually mangifikile mina ngifikela kulolu ne so ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngambuza ukuthi kanti why ningafuni ukuphuma endlini yami wathi sis Ana mina ngiyafuna ukuphuma endlini yakho inkinga uthabiso akafuni ukuthi siphume ene mangimtshela ukuthi siphume ne ungithembisa ukungishaya uyabhema anyway umthembisa ukumshaya nazo zonke lezo zinto lezo ezingekho right.
Okay, so njengoba usho uthe wazana nomntana khona which is le ntombazana okhuluma ngayo manje and then uThabiso yi-boyfriend
uThabiso is only a boyfriend.
So abekho abantu abadala maybe abazali bakhe ugeli.
Okay, umuntu engangazana naye kwakuyi-family friend yami umamabo uye engangijomene naye so unfortunately washona ingakayenzeki yonke lento le and then ekhaya kabo Lindiwe akunabantu abadala but usisi wakhe omdala kuye uyasazi sonke le story lesi ngoba ngingaya ngiyomchazela so uzamile naye ngaphambilini ngikhuluma mhlambe ngento yabo 2016 17 ukuthi azama ukukhuluma naye but still naye angithi akafuna ukumamela or uyamamela or ingoba usaba uThabiso.
Okay, so ngathi inkinga manje ikuThabiso.
Inkinga ikuThabiso. Ulindiwe ne okay angiyazi inhliziyo yakhe ngaphakathi ukuthi njani but inkinga ikuThabiso because whenever ngifikile ne umuntu ongiapproachayo uThabiso ngikhuluma ngento yami bekunini lolo lesikhathi bengikhona konje ngoDecember. Yes, ngoDecember bengikhona mina la eOrange Farm. Ngiyile ngale bengiye kubomakhelwane bami. Ngisayokhuluma ngayo le ndaba le. Bengi-advise nabo laba ngi-advise khona. So ungibonile mangidlula and then ngifike ngama ngapha next door yami ngithi ngakhuluma nomntwana wakhona ngoba umntwana khona unenkinga. uThabiso yazi ukuthi kukhona engakhulumanga. Abantu bahlukumezekile uThabiso ene manje icala likubani likimi ngoba uThabiso ufakwe yimi uThabiso uthi mayiklina ashisa izinto ayilahlele ngapha next door so bengikhuluma nalomntwana lo ngoba ehlukumezwa uThabiso waphuma uThabiso wasithuka ngeinhlamba.
Yo okay indaba kaThabiso ibhlungu ngamampela ekucaleni masicala siyasakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi uye waya maybe kuyokhuluma namaphoyisa. I think you were mentioning vele ukuthi uye waya vele but uye ngesizathu sendlu angithi azange ureport indaba zokuthi uThabiso wenzani uthethe abantu kanjani kwi-community or uye wayenza njalo.
No. Kusho ukuthi okokuqala mangiya ngithi ngiyolanda amaphoyisa it's when bengibuya eVereeniging with eviction letter. So kulabe ngihamba namaphoyisa khona wala ukusayina and then bayibhala ukuthi refused to sign. So mina fanele ngiyenzeni ngiyibuyisele emuva le eVereeniging ngakwenza lokho. So nginama eviction I'm sure I3 aseVereeniging same thing.
Wonke nje refused.
I refused. eVereeniging base bethi kimi ngoba ngihlala eSoweto ngihlala kude. Kunokuthi ngisuke eSoweto ngiza ngapha. Base bangenzela a letter. Bangirefera eMaponya eSoweto. So nginama eviction I'm sure I2 ase Vereeniging. Sorry ase Maponya ne Soweto. So awase Maponya nawo seza nawo la abawasayinanga nawo.
Okay, I think usungiphendulile kowunye kwama questions wami but azange usangitshela ngendaba ukuthi niyena reporta na uThabiso ukuthi not only is he a problem endabeni yendlu because manje ngithi indaba ye-eviction indaba ukuthi baphume ekhaya. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi uThabiso uye wamreporta na ukuthi uphatha kanjani abantu kwi-community njengoba usho ukuthi hayi ulahlela izinto next door akekho
abantu
akekho esimene si-right in terms of i-substance abuse ngathi you were mentioning nalokho. Did you perhaps go report kona lokho ukuthi maybe amaphoyisa afike adile naye akhulume naye direct amtshela ukuthi hayi Thabiso ngoba ukhesimene si-right asambe se-rehab and then bambuyise kahle engcondweni because maybe akekho right naye.
Okay kuleyo ne ngangakaze ngicabange ukuthi ngiye emaphoyiseni ngiyomreporta ukuthi uhlukumeza abomakhelwane bami. Lokho bengingakaze ngakwenza.
Okay mama, kukho konke lokho ongitshele kona, ikhansela maybe liye like assista kanjani ngani?
Oh, okay. Unfortunately, ngiye ngayithola i-advice ukuthi ngiye kukhansela. So ngingayifuna ikhansela, I think ngifune twice, hayi kaningi. Ngokungabi nenhlanhla ke ikhansela ngathola ukuthi angiyitholi ngoba nayo beyihlala ibhiza ngithi. Njengomuntu ohlala kude Soweto, uthola ukuthi angikwazi ukuvuka namhlanje ngithi ngiyomfuna futhi ngivuke nakusasa kanjalo. So after that ke ngagcina ngingasayitholanga ke ikhansela ngoba vele ngingayitholi eofisini. Hayi ukuthi ikhansela mhlambe yiyo engazange ifuna ukungisiza. It's just that ukuthi ngaba nebhathi lokuthi mangiyifuna ngalawo malanga and then thola ukuthi angiyitholi eofisini.
Okay, so ngabe umama uyazi perhaps ukuthi bekukhansela muphi and bekuwo womuphi unyaka?
Bekukhansela uWinnie ngaleyo minyaka, ngalowo nyaka ne, which was 2015. Yes, beku 2015. And then after 2015 angizange futhi ngibuyele ekutheni ngibuye ngizomfuna futhi ukhansela ukuthi angisize, because ngangina that thing yokuthi okay ngoba icase seyise legal aid, ngaba nehope yokuthi manje
Izoba ngcono.
izoba right.
Okay, because ngiyakhumbula umama mention izinto zoku-evicta and stuff, because uyakhumbula ukuthi waya eNageng angithi wathola ama-eviction letter, waphinde wahamba futhi waye eMaponya wabathola futhi nalapho, and kuwa wonke lawo maletha lawo uyoba refuse ukusayina wonke. So because wa-refuse, wabuyela back to bona wabatshela ukuthi okay ba-refusile, and then bona bathatha siphi stand ukuthi bami nawe.
Okay, a legal aid, what they do ne, after refusing ukusayina ithi ngibeke so, after bengatholakali ukusayina eviction ase legal aid, and then what they do, attorney wathi kimi uzohamba aye court ne, ayofuna bathini konje Nkosi yami, yabona isilungu, mari letter yakhona ikhona la, ethi eyofuna lo letter leyo ecourt ku magistrate, and then lo letter leyo sizothi mase siyitholile, and then magistrate uzosinikeza date. No, sorry, uzobabhalela letter yokuthi bayafuneka ecourt, and iletter yakhona beyizohanjiswa usheriff futhi. Kwenzekile lokho.
So why vele usheriff, and then usheriff wabuya kuwe wathini?
Okay, attorney angithuyile wayefuna that letter ne, wayithola, and then bathuma usheriff ukuthi alethe letter la kubo. Usheriff came back futhi athi akabatholi. I even said to usheriff, maybe bathi mabebona ukuthi umuntu abangamazi egate ene bahamba ngemoto phela ngithi, and then bese bangaphuma, hayi ukuthi abekho, bahlala bekhona, abantu abahlala bekhona, mhlambe ukuthi nje bebezivalela bangaphumi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ba receive that letter. And then kwaze kwafika esikhathini sokuthi kube u20 COVID 2020, yeah, iqale 2019 2020 yama ke stand still case legal aid.
So usheriff from lapho nje azange asayingena nje, uyaphelela nje lapho, and perhaps uyalazi igama laka sheriff ukuthi bekubani?
Okay, sheriff kahle ngizothini, ithunywa u-attorney wami wase legal aid ukuthi ngicela ungenzele u1 2 3. So mina impendulo ngizithola kubani? Ngizithola ku-attorney. So since from ngaleso sikhathi leso ne usheriff wayethunywe ukuthi ayisiletha, so the answer ithi from the attorney usheriff uhambisa incwadi akabatholanga labantu. So what we going to do manje Ana ne kuzofanele ukuthi it's after 2020 angithi kuzofanele ukuthi ngibuyele futhi ecourt because of leya letter leya ayisasebenzi ngokumthetho wecourt. Ngifanele ngibuyele futhi ecourt ngiyocala phansi ngifune yona lo letter leyo ezokwenza ukuthi manje badonswe balethwe ku magistrate la manje sizoba sonke bechaze ke bona ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi bangafuni ukuphuma endlini yini. Right. Okay. Sorry mina ngimgcine last year ngoMay uattorney wami. Okay. Yes. Ngoba since wayethe vele uzobuyela ecourt ne. Oh, he even said to me ufanele ukuthi eze nala eofficeini ezokwazi ukuthi ayibike le ndaba ukuthi kwi-address so kwenzeka u1 2 3 ne. So ngimgcine last year ngoMay ethi kimi okay Ana ngizobuyela ecourt ngiyofuna that letter leyo efanele ukuthi ngiyithole, then I will call you ngizokufonela ngutshele ke ukuthi uze sizokwazi ukuthi sichubeke. Last year ngoMay since ngimele ke ukuthi angifonele usangifonela.
Okay, so njengoba usho ukuthi unigcinane last year May i-attorney yakho bekubaba ne?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So uyalazi igama lakhe ngicela ungibizele igama lakhe and then ungitshela ukuthi maybe usachumana naye na like una ama number wakhe.
Oh, unfortunately I cannot ngutshele igama laka baba ngoba mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi ukuzokhuluma amagama akhe kwi show eso mhlambe nami ngangibangela icala. I mean illegal aid leya under government angithi. Yeah, so I don't think ukuthi it is wise for mina ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ubani, not unless ngisho eceleni ngoba wonke amaphepha ngiwaphethe anamagama akhe. Yeah, ana everything. Yes, illegal aid.
So usase nawo ama number kababa?
Akhona ama number ka baba la enumber emaphepheni.
Okay, ngiyabonga. Selo sikhuluma ke nomama simbuza ngecala lakhe ke lendlu. Ngicela nihle ni like ke ku YouTube ama video wethu bese kunjalo TV, nihambe ni ku Facebook nifike ni search phela nalapho nithi sekunjalo TV. Niphinde nigijime futhi niye ku TikTok nithi sekunjalo TV. Niya follower, niya subscriber, niya like, ibani khona abantu kwekethu. Kukho konke esikhulumile noma bengisacela ke as-advise ke thina ama South Africans la ngaphandle ukuthi maybe sigadisa abantu izindlu zethu. Asitshele ke ukuthi is it advisable vele ukuthi bayigade indlu yethu ene yini maybe into ukuthi singayi expect from labo bantu labo.
Okay, engakusho ne ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi it was stupid of me ukuthi ngithathe indlu yami ngithembe omunye umuntu ngayo ngoba nginale nto le ukuthi umuntu uyisihlobo sami. Akukho wise ukuthatha umuntu umbeke endlini yakho ucabanga ukuthi egcineni nizogcina kahle. But ngicabanga ukuthi ekwakufanele ukuthi ngikwenze mina kwakufanele ukuthi kube nesivumelwano esisibhala phansi ukuthi siyavumelana ngendlu uzohlala mhlambe isikhathi esingakanani, and then logo namhlanje ngabe mhlambe kungisiza more than the way sengisokola ngakhona manje. So angiba advise abantu ukuthi bavumele abantu ba occupy izindlu zabo ngaphandle kwesivumelano esisolid.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ma, and since ungitshela vele ngecala lakho, it's been how long ubuyibettle yokuyithola indlu yakho?
Yo, njoba ngisho ngithi le ndaba ngayiqala ngo2012 ngize ngifike e-legal aid ngo-2015 ngilwela ukuthi ngithole indlu yami back. Ingizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu futhi hayi kancane. Why? Because ingizwisa ubuhlungu. Right now njengoba ngihleli la, ngiqashile mina la ngihlala khona. Umntwana wami ubhadala i-2,000 rand. The reason yokuthi siqashile, sasihlala khabo myeni wami. Njengoba ngisho ngithi sasuka la sayohlala eSoweto. Sasihlala khabo myeni wami, which is i-family house. So unfortunately, ubaba kwami uye washona ngo-2019 ngoSeptember. After eshonile ubaba ngo-2019 September, saxoshwa u-aunt endlini yakubo, which is i-family house. So sizitholeke sesizula iSoweto yonke leya sihamba sihlala up until la sihlala khona manje. Engengize ngikusho ke ukuthi kukuphi because of i-safety yami nomntanami. Iminyaka yami iwu-59, ngizobe ngenza u-61 ngoMay ngeyi-25. So for mina it's hard so ukuthi ngihambe ngizula emizini yabantu kanti nginendlu efane ngabe ngihleli kuyo.
Uyakhumbula ke masicala ukuthi siye sathi we will be talking about family chronicles and house disputes. Nikubonile ke lokho sikhulumile namhlanje. Istory sika mama sibuhlungu. Whether umngani, whether a family member, ungathembi umuntu ngendlu yakho. Nisale kahle.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngu-Ana ngokwaCewani Sibongo. Ngihlala eSoweto at the moment, but nginendlu la e7B Orange Farm e12195. Nawa amaphepha engiwaphethe okukhombisa khona ukuthi indlu eyami. This is the title deed esezandleni zami esegameni lami. So labantu abahlele endlini ngizocela ukuthi bangisize ukuthi baphume endlini yami ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole indlu yami back. Ngiyabonga.
Usisana i-friend relative yasekhaya since from sifika kuyo le ndawo yase Orange Farm. So istory sakhe ngisazi from eqaleni kwaso ngoba ithe lento yonke iqala nokuthi uthole abantu abazohlala estandini sakhe. Wasithulela ukuthi kunento so ezoyenzeka. And then nathi azange sibone kuyinkinga. Sathi ayikungcono ngoba sekuzoba nabantu abazohlala estandini sakhe so that sibe safe naso. Ukuthi kungagqekezwa khishwa amafestere, khishwa into zogesi kanjalo. So manje ithe makaba neproblem yokuthi manje useyafuna indawo yakhe ukuthi abuyele kuyo. Yonke into nje beyenzeka bekes update. So wathola ukuthi manje sizwa ubuhlungu ukuthi labantu laba bese bahlala endaweni yakhe. Nasekumele umnikazi wendawo ebaphe nesikhathi nokhona sokuthi bafune yabe indawo abasafuni. Sezwa ubuhlungu kakhulu. So manje nathi kuye kwasi-affecta ngoba yonke into beyenzeka bekes update ukuthi kwenzakalani sekwenzakala so abasafuni ukuphuma sekwenzakalani. Yonke lento beyenzeka. So nathi is-affectile kakhulu ngoba besinga expectanga lokho.
Babukeli emakhaya, igama nguPhumelele Thwala. Nisizwile istory saka ma ukuthi sibuhlungu ngempela siba ngosizi. Ngempela kubuhlungu ukuthi ube neminyaka ewu-60 ube uhlala emicashweni uzulazula unomuzi wakho. Ngempela mawuthatha i-decision yokuthi uhlalisa abantu endlini yakho, kumele kubalekile futhi ukuthi wazi ukuthi unawo ama-witness ene wazi futhi ukuthi ubhale phansi ukuthi umhlalise ngesizathu siphi for a period engakanani kuze kube lula uma usufuna ukubuyela kwakho. Istory sika mama asipheleli la, sisazochubeka ke. Nimzwile ukuthi umention abantu abangakanani. So ngicela nisihlaleni ke nihlale emasofeni wenu nisilinde nezitori zethu siyabuya. Sisase lapho, do not forget to go check out our pages on Facebook, YouTube, naku TikTok futhi. Ene ningabheki kuphela obvious. Nifike ni subscribe ku YouTube, Nifollowe ku-TikTok, nibheke nama-videos phela ngithi hawu yabo, ni-like nama-videos. This is Sekunjalo TV signing out. With that being said, please do reach out to Tina on our email, which will be listed on the video below. Naku WhatsApp wethu siyatholakala. Obviously usithinta mangabe une story esi valid.